Thank you for staying with Republic. Our special broadcast this Independence Day continues as we talk to more COVID warriors and hear their very inspiring stories. Joining us now on the broadcast is none other than another COVID hero and somebody who has inspired the nation in this difficult time through his songs. None other than Palash Sen, who's with us on the broadcast, and he wants to pay tribute to our frontline heroes and those putting their life on the line to fight COVID. Palash, many thanks for joining us here on Republic. And of course, you have your guitar with you. So obviously at some point we would be hearing a song from you. But before that, Palash, we want to talk to you to understand how this time has been for you. What are your learnings, your takeaways from this time? How are you observing the world from your end?
Thank you so much for having me on this. I'm going to just say something which is not really what you asked me, but it's important, so I'm going to say it. Today is our Independence Day, and we are all very, very proud. But I think it's time that all of us took an oath, and that there is justice for all. And you know what I'm talking about. I hope there is justice for all. There's justice for Sushant. There's justice for all the Sushants in this world. And we take an oath that there's never another Sushant situation in our lives. So that's the first thing I want to say. I think this entire time has brought all of us together. And I think as a nation, we have risen and we have actually come together as people. And that's the greatest change that has come in this country. I feel that way. And I think that's the greatest change that I am seeing in the world around me, that people have started caring for each other. And that caring is what is actually changing the world. We are all realizing it's going to be a short time for all of us. If we don't care and we don't share and we don't love each other, time is running out. So I think that's the greatest thing that has happened. And I just hope we have a more beautiful and a more a stronger India from here onwards.
So all of this time cooped up at home, Palash, has that been a creative time for you? Has it given you time to kind of do things that you couldn't do earlier? Have you created any songs specially for today, Independence Day?
So yeah, I mean, I've been constantly I've been on air and I've been making songs and I've been composing songs constantly. There's a new song that we've just done. It's going to come out in 2 days called Ladai, and basically again, as I'm talking about, is Ladai for justice. I'm talking about Ladai for the people who don't have a voice. I'm talking about people who don't have a say. I'm talking about people who are actually people like me, independent musicians who are sitting at home and don't have a job anymore. So it's a Ladai for everybody. If you want, I can just sing it for you.
Yes, please share it with us.
So just in about 3 days time, the song is going to come out, and it's a Ladai for the Abhi khatam nahi ladai, Abhi khatam nahi khudai, Abhi khatam nahi ho tum, Abhi khatam nahi hu main, Abhi khatam nahi roshni, Abhi khatam नहीं दोस्ती, अभी खत्म नहीं हो तुम, अभी खत्म नहीं है हम, अभी खत्म नहीं है हम.
Fantastic.
Very nice, Palash. Thanks,
Shivani. I could just clap for you, Palash, and I'm sure people are feeling the same way, sitting at their homes watching you play this song. But you know, Palash, even as we continue to talk, and we were talking about how these 3 months have been, we've just heard so many stories today of COVID warriors, be it health workers, be it those who've recovered from the virus. To really understand, Palash, and we keep saying that, you know, the world has changed. But yes, do you believe that this change is meant to stay? The learnings that we've taken in this period will stay with us?
The people who don't learn from these kind of calamities are fools. So I just hope we are not a foolish nation. I hope we are intelligent enough after this. And I believe we are intelligent enough. And I think the new generation, the next gen is the one that is actually going to really steer this country towards much, much better things. I feel if you see the entire history of mankind, these kind of things have always come at a time when things were really at its lowest, and maybe things were at its lowest. We have become a society, we have become a world of greed, we have become a world of capitalism, we have become a world of injustice, and we have become a world of a lot of bias. And I think that is why, I believe in God, and I feel, God has shown us the way that, maybe it is time that, man reset, rechecked, reformatted, and re-looked at life. And I just hope that we all actually learn from these lessons. And I'm very, very confident because, I really believe that Hindustan में बहुत सारी problem होंगी, लेकिन हमारे अंदर दिमाग की कमी नहीं है. So इस दिमाग की वजह से ही I think we will all be intelligent enough to understand, learn, and go ahead from here.
Palash, it's almost time for us to thank you. You mentioned something about independent artists suffering. We wish all of you the very best. And of course, we wish that, the community comes together and takes care of each other, as it has happened across other professions and just the community at large as well. But even as we are about to take a break, Palash, could you give us a nice musical stage exit? And we'll end with that. You did a song on COVID warriors, right?
Yeah. So this is, I just want to say this, that, nobody can stop Indians if we really don't want to stop ourselves. So, guys, if everybody's ready with me, just sing with me. Hey! आगे आगे हम ना ठहरे, सबसे आगे निकल जाए हम, पागल तूफान आती लहरें, सबकी आंखों में है कदम, हमको बुलाती है राहें नहीं, ताकत हमारी है बाहें कोई, दिल ने ली ऐसी उड़ान, रोक सको तो रोक लो, अपनी ये धरती है अपना जहान, रोक सको तो रोक लो, है दिल में है जो बातें खुल के कहे, रोक सको तो रोक लो, आगे थे आगे है आगे रहे, रोक सको तो रोक लो। हिंदुस्तानी आगे थे आगे हैं और आगे ही रहेंगे। दिगी धा 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 धा।